Take a ride in the 2025 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear fog light, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi Certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.